Today I want to talk to you about a great way to build functional strength in your core, to rebuild your core and your pelvic floor if you've had a baby, or if you're just feeling like you're kind of weak in your core and you want to start to rebuild it. So I treat a lot of pregnant postpartum moms. I don't advise doing this during pregnancy because what I'm about to show you because we hold a breath, it's not good. It can raise your blood pressure. But if you're postpartum and you've had a baby recently and you're worried about how am I going to get back in shape, maybe you're worried about the diastasis, you've had that separation of the abdominal wall, maybe you're having some issues such as like leaking, or you're just feeling weak. You know who you are. I get this a lot from the moms that reach out to me. They just feel weak, right? So instead of going out and just hitting it with planks and crunches and things like that, I want to show you a technique called a hypopressives or low pressure fitness. Okay, so it's a really great way. I actually just finished with a class. I'm on week 3 of a 6-week class. I'm taking 3 postpartum moms through this class, and I want to show you what this looks like. It's phenomenal. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be a little vulnerable here. I'm going to actually take my shirt off. I have a tank or a sports bra on, and I want to show you what this kind of looks like and tell you about how you can get started with this. Okay, so I'm going to show you in a position called Aura. Okay, so these positions with low pressure fitness, they're named for different goddesses basically. So I'm going to show you a Aura pose. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you from the front so you can kind of see. I'm going to take my shirt off so you can actually see my abdomen. What I'm going to have you just pay attention to is what's going on down here at my rib cage, how when I breathe it lifts up. So it really starts with that diaphragmatic breathing of using our diaphragm and using the rib cage. And then as I exhale, I want you to see how that just kind of starts to come back down and recoil, okay? So now when we do these poses, this is going to be kind of like a really quick rundown. But I'm going to show you in Aura from the front and then from the side. But I'm going to start with my ankles dorsiflexed a little bit here. I'm going to start in a nice good position of my back. I'm going to just lift up through the top of my head, so I'm lengthening and growing taller. This is really great to help with the connective tissue of the body, helps to lengthen and open up. Also with that lengthening helps me to actually engage in through my abdomen, in through the diaphragm. From here, I'm just going to bring my arms up into this position here. It helps to actually lift up my shoulder girdle, helps there, and because of how I have my ankles, it actually helps to engage pelvic floor. So from there, I'm just going to take 3 breaths in. Notice what happens on the 3rd breath, okay? So I'm going to inhale, feel or see that, exhale, that's breath 1. I'm going to inhale again, I'm going to exhale out. 3rd breath, I'm going to create what we call the hypopressive breath. I do it at the bottom of an exhale. Now watch. I take an inhale in, it comes back down. So you can kind of see that flaring out of the rib cage. What that creates is a lift up of the pelvic organs, and then I can add a Kegel at the end, okay? So what it actually does, if you have something like a prolapse, your bladder, your uterus is kind of hanging low, then this is a really great way to start to strengthen. I'm going to show you from the side here so you can see this. Again, I'm starting with my ankles and dorsiflexion. It helps my pelvic floor to engage a little bit. I'm going to start in a neutral position of my spine, so I want to kind of tuck under, but I don't want to be all the way, and I certainly don't want to be into this position. So I find that neutral, grow through the top of my head. I'm gazing forward. I'm going to engage my shoulders here. And we're going to go ahead now, and I'm going to do those 3 breaths from here, okay? Breath number 2. 3rd breath, you're going to see I'm going to create that apnea or the hypopressive. And then I just exhale. So this can be done in a lot of different positions in order to build that core strength. So that's just a little bit of a demo that I wanted to show you. I'm getting really great results with the patients that I've been working with this hypopressive or low pressure fitness. If you want to learn more about this and you want me to slow down a little bit, I'm actually offering a class. It starts next Tuesday evening, 7 o'clock at Mountain Time, 7 o'clock p.m. I'll put the link below. It's called Release Your Root, but we go over a lot of self-healing, how to release the buttocks, the hips, the pelvic floor. I actually do a self-check of the pelvic floor. So what I do with my patients, on how to actually check for prolapse and strength, how to even do a proper Kegel. We go over that in class. So I'm going to walk you through that. And you don't even have to be on camera, trust me. And it's a 6-week course. So again, I'm going to leave the information below. You can read all about it. Would love to see you in class. And we'll go over more of this hypopressives that I just showed you. Okay, leave any questions below. I'm happy to answer. Bye-bye.